Both of these products claim to do the same things. Marvel Mystery Oil lubricates the upper cylinder, cleans your fuel system, and improves fuel economy. Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant cleans your fuel system and improves your fuel economy. Those are word for word identical claims, so they must be the same, right? Well, I pulled the safety data sheets, and these two aren't even in the same chemical universe. First up, let's talk about Marvel Mystery Oil. When I pulled the data sheet in section 3, it says 10 to 30% of petroleum distillate. And the flash point is listed at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. That's legally classified as a combustible liquid. Those light distillates are going to act as a cleaning solvent to dissolve varnish, gum, and sticky injector deposits. For a car that's sat or has some cheap gas in it, this is good chemistry. However, with that low flash point, the viscosity of this is 2 to 3 centistrokes. That is water thin. So with that lower flash point and super thin viscosity, this will clean reasonably well. But what exactly is it lubricating? This stuff is physically too thin to lubricate a piston ring under high combustion heat. Now to Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant. It has a non-hazardous classification, and under section 3 of the data sheet, it is 60 to 100% of heavy petroleum distillates. It's a pure oil base. The flash point's at 310 degrees, and viscosity is at 8.8 centistrokes at operating temperature. That puts it about a 20 weight oil. On the bottle right here, it says that it cleans injectors. But according to the data sheet, there's nothing on there to support that claim. No detergents, no solvents, and no cleaning agents. That's a marketing misdirect there. And let me read this to you word for word so we get it right. Contains special clean burning additives to facilitate a complete combustion burn for more power, more fuel economy, and fewer emissions. But oil doesn't burn cleanly in a combustion chamber, and we just talked about how this is similar to a 20 weight oil. That's going to cause blue smoke out the tailpipe. That's not making the fuel burn better. So with its 310 degree flash point and its thicker viscosity, this is going to work more like an oil. When the gas burns away, this heavy oil is going to stay behind and lubricate your piston rings, your cylinder walls, and your valve guides. It improves efficiency by reducing mechanical drag on the power stroke. It's not a magical fix. I just find that label misleading. So both are on the same shelf and both have the same claims, but they have opposite engineering. One is a cleaning distillate that thins out. The other is a heavy oil that stays behind for lubrication. The marketing department and the chemistry department were not in the same room when they were designing these bottles. So the question is, does your engine need something dissolved or does it need something lubricated? So if you have dirty injectors, gummed up lines, or your vehicle is sat, grab Marvel. If you've got a high mileage car, dry upper cylinder, or using fuels like E85 or the low sulfur diesel, grab Lucas. And if you like this and you want to get your car to 300,000 miles, consider checking out my 300,000 mile maintenance protocol. It's free. The link is in my bio. I'm Chris from Beachside Auto Parts. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.